Boy, the creek is looking good today. Looks like somebody else has been in here recently. Not me. We had a lot of rain. Ooh, the water's definitely cooled off. But it's still pretty clear. Nice level. Folks, it's going to be a beautiful day. Well, until it starts raining. But until then, we're going to do a little creek fishing. Anybody can do it. Doesn't cost a lot. Got a Okuma reel, $30 I think. Field and Stream rod. It is a 2-piece, but that's all right. It was $20 I think. So it doesn't even have to cost that much. I have 2-pound monofilament line, Trout SOS. It's good line, it's really strong. But it is 2 pound. And there can be some nice sized fish in this creek. And that's what we're going to try to catch. Let's catch one. I'm using a trout slayer crawdad, same folks that make the trout magnet lures. And I'm using a 1/64 ounce trout magnet jig head. They come with a 1/64 jig head, but they're a little bit longer hook. And I don't think I have any. I couldn't find any. So hopefully this hook isn't too small and we can get a hold of something here. It doesn't take long to get hung up. I normally finish out up here. I don't start here, but I may have jinxed myself by doing that. Oh, there's one right there. Let's see what we got. And that's why I started here, right there. Oops. Quick release. All right, good deal. There goes the skunk. Now let's catch some fish. I'm really fond of the whole brand Leland lures. Like I said, these are the trout slayer lures. I use the trout magnet lures. The line is from the same company. There's a bite. See what I mean? I don't know what the... From one underpass to the next. It's starting to rain a little bit more. It quit there for a minute. I thought I was going to get maybe an hour in. I don't know. There's a bite. Not super aggressive though. Biting it again. Oh, look here. Oh, what do we got? What do we got? Look here, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Not a big bass by really any standards, but that little bit of water right there in this little creek, hold still. I don't want that trout magnet in my thumb. And I've caught bigger ones, and they're in here. Well, that was fun. Let's try that again. Already on it. Already on it. Look there. Little tiny guy. Look here. Quick release. Those are the best kind. I tell you, as soon as it hits the water over there, it's just taking off. They're not big, but man, if you just want to enjoy an afternoon, get out. You don't have to worry about buying $100 worth of fuel for a boat. You don't have to worry about a crowded boat ramp. You don't have to worry about catching the big fish in the lake, showing off to all your buddies. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Bragging rights. Just get back to the basics, back to the roots. Just jump in the old creek and catch some fish. It's really that simple. I think this bait's trying to fall off here. I'm having trouble keeping him on the hook. Them little ones, they'll grab those claws and take off with it. You got to kind of be careful with that. But that's why I like the trout slayers, because they look here. They seem to be a little tougher. I tried another brand. I don't remember exactly what brand they were. I'm thinking they were the Uncle Bucks from Bass Pro, maybe. And the claws fell off. Not real easy, but a little more often than what these do. So, there's another one. Oh, come off. Yeah. Okay. I'm telling you guys, as soon as it hits the water, I might just fish this spot right here for a while. I might need to change this bait out though, because it's not wanting to stay on that hook. Okay. I changed up my bait. I got on the white and chartreuse trout bait there. I got a little scent spread on it for now. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, this is a decent fish right here. Well, he thinks he's decent. These little guys, I tell you what, they will fight like it's their last day in the water. Healthy little fish, very strong. Love catching those. There we go. Another little scrapper. What a blast. Hold still, hold still. There we go. You like that, didn't you? Yep. All right. Okay, we're gonna move on down here. Well, I caught some bait. Like a box of chocolate, folks. Never know what you're gonna catch. I promised I wasn't gonna do that, and I turned around and done it anyway. And I know a lot of people can look down in the water and see fish, and sometimes I can, but I don't exactly see real well. As a matter of fact, tying this 2-pound line on with these micro jigs, I actually drug my wife out to Walmart and and bought some reading glasses. Oh, wow, that was a nice bite. Yeah, I'm right back in the tree again. That was a good bite. That almost felt like a trout. But anyway, I got some reading glasses. I don't remember if they're 2 power or 3 power, but yeah, I was having, I'll tell you, I'm gonna end up eating this little trout magnet here in just a second. I'll keep that up. I might get this story out. I don't know. I've never had this many bites out of this little spot right here before. I'm kind of curious what that is. But something in there. But I tied on this bigger bait. It's the brand crawdad. I've got it on the larger jig head. I don't know the weight right off. It has a weedless barb on it. I wasn't sure about it first, but there's yet another fish on it. It doesn't seem to be bothering them at all. Quick release. There we go. He dropped there for a second and then come back after it when I was reeling it in. You can always tell when it's a good fishing spot because the mosquitoes are relentless. It's like they're trying to run you out. One of these days I'm going to do that. And whatever I'm fishing is going to come back and smack me right in the face. Bite. Whoa, whoa, pull and drag. Pull and drag. There we go. What we got? Not bad. Not bad at all. Come here. There we go. Not big guy, but out of this creek. Really fun to catch. Well, he's hooked good.